Dear students, in the last session, we did an activity to find the focal length of concave mirror. We kept a candle at a different position in front of the mirror and we found the image distance by adjusting the screen in front of it. And also, we found the object distances and image distances to calculate focal length. And also we have observed the characteristics of the image formed in that activity. Now, in this session, we are going to find the focal length by using that image distances and object distance, keeping those values in mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Before going to that, let us see how to write the lab record, lab activity. So, to write the lab record, first of all, we have to write its aim of the experiment to find the focal length of the concave mirror. For that, what the material we have used, you have to state here. Material required: a candle, paper, concave mirror, V-stand, measuring tape or meter scale. So here what we did there, we kept a concave mirror on V-stand and lighted candle has kept in front of it some distance, which we call it as object distance, and using screen we try to catch the image of the candle flame on the screen. So we need to adjust the screen to get the sharp image, and after that we have to find the distance of the object and distance of the image by using the scale. So this activity we did. So now these things you should write as procedure. In procedure, first place the concave mirror on V-stand. Put the candle in front of the mirror 30 cm away from the mirror. So in this activity we have taken 35 cm. You can take 30, 40, 50 like that. By moving the paper along the axis, find the position where you get the sharp image on paper. That paper here acts as a screen to catch the image. Measure the distance from the mirror to the screen, which is called image distance, V. Now increase the object distance to 40 cm, 50 cm, 60 cm, etc. and find the image distances in all the cases. So here, in a rough focal length, when the object is away from the mirror, long distance it is there, then we got the focal length it as a 22 centimeters. That's why we have started from 30 or 35 centimeter. So here we have kept 35 centimeter, 44 centimeter like that, and you have to keep different distances that object to get the image. So in all the cases you need to find the image distances. Using mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, we need to calculate focal length in all the cases. Mostly in all cases we will get focal length as same. For instance, if we got the focal length at different cases is different, now take the average of focal lengths, which gives the focal length of concave mirror. So here in our activity we kept first object at 35 centimeter, we got the image at 65 centimeter, and keeping the object at 44 centimeter, we got the image also at 44 centimeter distance, and 50 centimeter distance we got the image at 42 centimeter distance. So like that we have calculated 4 values. So after tabulating these values, you need to find the focal length. For that, you have to follow some precaution. That precaution should also be right here after procedure. Take care that flame is above the axis of the mirror and the screen is below the axis. So this precaution should also be right in lab record. So in this way we have to complete lab record. Then after that we need to calculate in all the cases about focal length. So let us do that. After calculating, you need to write a result. So here case 1, u is equal to minus 35 centimeter, v is equal to minus 65 centimeter. So here the mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, or f is equal to uv by u plus v. You can use any of it. So f is equal to minus 35 into minus 65 whole divided by minus 35 plus minus 65. That is 2275 divided by 100. It is equal to 22.75 centimeter minus. So here one thing you have to remember, that why we are taking minus. So according to sign convention rules, if we measure the distances opposite to the direction of the incident ray, we need to take minus symbol. So here, for concave mirror, the object distances and image distances are we are measuring from mirror to it, so that it is opposite to the direction of the image object direction of the incident ray. That's why we need to take negative. So u is equal to minus 44 centimeter. Here v is equal to minus 44 centimeter. So f is equal to minus 44 into minus 44 whole divided by minus 44 plus minus 44. That is 1936 whole divided by minus 88. That is minus 22. Case 3. Here at case 3, we kept candle at 50 centimeter. We got the image at 42 centimeter. So f is equal to minus 50 into minus 42 whole divided by minus 50 plus minus 42. That is 2100 by minus 92 is equal to 22.8 centimeter. Case 4. We kept object at 60 centimeter. So we got v is 35 centimeter. So we have taken minus symbol here. F is equal to minus 60 into minus 35 by minus 60 plus minus 35. That is 2100 whole divided by minus 95. That is 22.10 centimeter. So in 4 cases, a small change we observed. So that's why we need to take the average of focal length. F is equal to 22.75 plus 22.00 plus 22.8 plus 22.10 whole divided by 4. That is f is equal to 22.4 centimeter. So before starting activity, we found focal length by exposing that concave mirror to the object which is far away, and we capture that image on the screen which is showing the 22 centimeter distance from the mirror.